Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongmihkhmat ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Abhijit Kro habakren kumukongsan hakasngi play yaki Ike Mawlong Memorial Football Trophy anachar arpulai ulaong bagi judgment reo khasi bat Karbi ke Ïashong basa ki thain khaput kimdei ban Ïashoh Ïadat Henry kidei ban Ïashong suk shong san kum shihnmen shipara uneu Nongmihkhmat ke KAAC ulaong ru kani ka sin ka baningkong bo unwan poi ha ka jaka yele ka jong kasnong Mawlasnai bat penpau yu jing sngongu shakinong penyat bat ki pat ba jong ka than Mawlasnai ki balak hot sngo bah yu ban wan shaka ka lempung ula ongru bah kani ka than kam judan satya ka jing Ïashoh Ïadat henre ki pat ba ki shongsuk shongsan wat la ka don ka jing kan at put happening ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam.
Everyone, Mawlasnai, Kadam. On the very outset, before I start my speech, I'd like to thank the organizer for inviting me as a chief guest. This is my first time. In a Mawlasnai playground. And I'd like to thank the organizer as well as the people of Mawlasnai for inviting me as the chief guest and as the tournament and both the committee living in Meghalaya and Karbi Anglong. We should be stay in peace. We should not fight each other. Also, I would like to state about the bordering of Meghalaya state and Assam, Karbi Anglong district. Here we don't have any issue about the border problems, and we should stay in peace. We should not fight. If we fight, tomorrow you may come at Umlapel. Today I may come at Mawlasnai. So we should not fight each other. We should stay in peace.